Step right up, Carnival goers. Today, we're firing up the grill and bringing you some mouth-watering dishes that are not only delicious but also healthy. Get ready to experience the sizzle and aroma of healthy grilling at the Carnival. Hey there, foodies! Are you ready to tantalize your taste buds with some nutritious and flavorful grilled dishes? Join me as we explore the world of healthy grilling right here at the Carnival. We're going to start by firing up the grill and getting it nice and hot. Then, we'll be grilling up a storm with some lean proteins, fresh vegetables, and even some fruity surprises. Let's dive right in and see what delicious creations we can come up with. First on our menu is grilled chicken skewers with pineapple. We'll marinate some lean chicken breast in a zesty citrus marinade, thread them onto skewers with chunks of fresh pineapple, and grill them until juicy and golden brown. Just imagine the tantalizing aroma of grilled chicken mingling with the sweetness of pineapple. It's a flavor combination that will transport you to a tropical paradise right here at the Carnival. Next up, we have grilled veggie kebabs with balsamic glaze. We'll load up skewers with colorful bell peppers, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and red onion, brush them with a tangy balsamic glaze, and grill them until charred and tender. These veggie kebabs are not only bursting with color and flavor but also packed with vitamins and minerals. It's the perfect way to sneak in some extra veggies while enjoying the Carnival festivities. And for a sweet twist on traditional grilling, we have grilled fruit skewers with honey lime drizzle. We'll thread chunks of fresh fruit like strawberries, mango, and kiwi onto skewers, grill them until caramelized, and drizzle them with a honey lime sauce for a touch of sweetness. Grilling fruit not only intensifies its natural sweetness but also adds a smoky depth of flavor that will leave you craving more. It's the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping things light and refreshing. Well, there you have it, folks. Healthy grilling at the Carnival has never been more delicious. Whether you're craving juicy chicken skewers, flavorful veggie kebabs, or sweet grilled fruit, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So fire up the grill and get ready to savor the flavors of the Carnival in a whole new way. Until next time, happy grilling!